Like our next workout, Clark.
Oh, and show Sissy how the toys on it work.
Actually, it says rest. Well, no, our next one is shoulders and abs. So
show Sissy how to dance to the music.
Dumbbell press, standing dumbbell, straight arm front delt raise to a T.
Show her how to do it.
Whatever that is.
Straight what now?
Standing dumbbell, straight arm, front delt raised to a T. Up and open.
Show Sissy how to work it.
You know, you stand and you'll go.
Bubba, show Sissy how to do this one.
Oh, with a dumbbell. Okay. And then side lateral raises. Okay. Seated dumbbell
Don't
press.
scare her.
Okay, that's where you sit down on that one little seat and you push them up like this.
And then seated bend over rear delt.
What are you doing, little girl?
Seated bend over.
Gentle, please. There you go. Honk, honk. You showing her how to push it?
I'll look it up. Exercise ball.
Good job.
What?
Exercise ball crunches. I'll look that up.
Ball crunches?
Exercise ball crunches.
I don't know what the exercise.
Good job.